our introductory friend from Group 4, which consists of I am Nurdini, there is Muhammad Fajar Mubarak on my left, and Tegar on my right.
Okay, friends, let's get started.
What is the COVID-19 virus? Is a disease caused by the SARS acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 SARS-CoV-2. COVID-19 can cause respiratory system disorders ranging from mild symptoms such as flu to lung infection such as pneumonia. COVID-19 coronavirus disease 2019 is a new type of disease caused by a virus from the coronavirus group, namely SARS-CoV-2, which is also often called the coronavirus. The first case of this disease occurred in the city of Wuhan, China, at the end of December 2019. After that, COVID-19 spread between humans very quickly and spread to dozens of countries, including Indonesia, in just a few months.
Yes, COVID-19 can even ion, but effects will be more dangerous of even fatal in if attack the elderly. Pregnant women, smokers, people with certain disease, and people with weak immune system, such as cancer patients. Because it is as contagious, this disease is also at high risk of infecting medical personnel who read COVID-19 patients, reform medical personnel, and people who come in the contact with the COVID-19 patient need to ask personal protective equipment. The government, together with pharmaceutical company and virus health institute, are currently developing and research COVID-19 vaccine.
To determine whether these symptoms are symptoms of the coronavirus, a rapid test or PCR or rapid test is needed. COVID-19 treatment. Until now, there is no drug that can definitively treat COVID-19, but the government has provided vaccination service to emphasize the rising death toll. But what should we do if we are exposed? The first step is do self-isolation for 2 weeks by not leaving the house. 2. Always wear a mask when leaving the house. 3. Wash your hands with soap, running water, or hand sanitizer. 4. Drink lots of water to maintain body fluid levels. 5. Get enough rest to speed up the healing process.
And what exactly does this have to do with malnutrition, my friends?
Yes, the COVID-19 pandemic in a corner of the world, including Indonesia, has had a negative impact on the community economic system, leading to a lack of food needs. The decreasing amount of food is predicted to lead reduce food intake, decreased nutritional and health status, or to starvation. One of the things that can be done is to make of effort to prevent and halt COVID-19 through improving nutrition and innovating the development of food products that increase immunity so that they can educate the public through social media and electronic media. How to prevent?
Characteristic of malnourished children according to the World Health Organization. Thin body, wasting, stunting, easily tired, and weak symptoms of a child being malnourished, loss of appetite. For children, dry skin and easy hair loss, easy to get sick, die. Prevent children from being malnourished, provide fruit and vegetables in every diet. Provide foods that have carbohydrate sources such as potatoes, bread, rice, and cereal. Provide vitamin intake from milk and its derivative products. Check children with doctor. So, that's how parents explain about nutritional disorder during the COVID-19 pandemic. It turns out that the impact is hard, so let's pay attention to our nutrition, friends, so that we stay healthy always.
Okay, friends, thank you for paying attention to your material. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.